What does a mediator do? Divorce can be one of the most difficult experiences in life, leaving couples with painful decisions about family, finances, and the future. A mediator helps ease this process by creating a calm, structured environment where both people can speak openly, listen to each other, and work toward solutions that suit everyone involved. In New York, mediation has become a practical alternative to lengthy courtroom battles. Rather than increasing conflict, it encourages dialogue and compromise. By reducing stress and promoting cooperation, a mediator helps couples preserve dignity and sometimes even their relationship, especially when children are involved. A mediator does not act as a lawyer for either spouse. Instead, they remain a neutral guide whose task is to balance the discussion. In divorce cases, this neutrality is critical, because it ensures both parties feel equally heard. New York mediators follow a code of ethics that requires impartiality, so their focus stays firmly on helping both sides reach a fair agreement. The process typically begins with both individuals agreeing to mediation. In the first meeting, the mediator explains how it works, confirms confidentiality, and outlines their role. Each spouse then shares their concerns, while the mediator listens and clarifies. Subsequent sessions often explore deeper issues, encourage brainstorming of possible solutions, and examine the pros and cons of different options. Mediation usually takes 3 to 6 sessions, each lasting about 2 hours, but couples can decide the pace together. Although mediators cannot provide legal advice, each spouse is encouraged to consult an attorney throughout the process. Once an agreement is reached, a lawyer drafts the final settlement, which can then be filed with the court for an uncontested divorce. This step ensures that the decisions made in mediation are legally sound and enforceable. Mediation offers several benefits compared to traditional litigation. It is generally less expensive because it reduces the need for court appearances and ongoing attorney involvement. It is also less stressful, as the atmosphere promotes calm discussions rather than adversarial arguments. Privacy is another advantage, since mediation sessions are confidential, unlike public court records. Finally, mediation is often faster, avoiding the long delays that can come with an overloaded court system. Understanding the difference between a mediator and a lawyer is important. A mediator facilitates communication but does not represent either spouse or give legal advice. A lawyer, on the other hand, represents a single client, advocates for their interests, and provides strategic legal counsel. Many couples use both, relying on a mediator for cooperative problem-solving while consulting a lawyer to protect their rights and review final agreements. Still, mediation is not suitable in every case. It may not work where there is domestic abuse, dishonesty, or a serious imbalance of power between spouses. If one person refuses to participate sincerely or is hiding information, mediation cannot produce a fair resolution. In such circumstances, courtroom proceedings may provide stronger protections. For those able to participate in good faith, mediation often sets the stage for a smoother transition after divorce. It can help parents maintain a cooperative relationship for the benefit of their children and allow both parties to move forward with greater control over the outcome. By avoiding drawn-out litigation, couples often find a more respectful and efficient way to close one chapter of life and begin the next. The law office of Ryan Besinque in Manhattan focuses on guiding couples through this process with compassion and clarity. If you are considering divorce and want to know whether mediation is right for you, reach out to discuss your options. You can contact the law office of Ryan Besinque at 115 West 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, or call 929-251-4477.